Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the index-of method in the array. So now what we're gonna do is create a array, anything like babies. After that, create an array and comma Python comma camel comma duck. After that, keep in mind though, I'm writing the Python second time. You will understand why. So I'm gonna do log it on a console, use the prototype for the array, and find the index of will be bigger, not smaller. Something like camel. It would be say 2. So this is what it does. If you want you see this zeros for second. If you want to the number how humans can count, so you can do like 1 plus 1. You're gonna say 3. And now one more thing, if we do person, you're gonna say 2 because it's in the 2. And now there is 2 Bayesian and you want the second one. So how are we gonna get that? What we need to do is pass a pass another one where you want to from, like that. So you're gonna say 5. So like you want like from here or here. So you want from like camel, you're gonna say from there. It's the second one, or you can say the second version. That's the way it is. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.